Good morning. As you can tell, I kind of like did a little bit of a different like intro and start of this video. I kind of wanted to try something new and not really like talk so much because I feel like that's all I was doing in my last video. So let me know in the comments if you like the style or not. I don't know, I'm gonna try experimenting with this video. But as you guys saw, I woke up, I had breakfast, I changed into my workout clothes. It is now 1 p.m. I turned on my alarm for like 9:15. I woke up and then I fell back to sleep, and then I woke up at like 11:30. Late start to this day, but it's fine because like this is like my day off. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this video, but this is just kind of me getting my life together, self-care day kind of. Today it's a very rare day where I don't have classes and I don't really have that much homework, which is like once in a lifetime, you know, in college. It's funny to think because just last week I was spending like 12 hours on my laptop screen every single day. But I'm just like, today I'm gonna do stuff that I want to do for myself. One of those things includes working out, so I'm gonna go to the gym downstairs, and this is my first time back in like a whole year. It's like pretty hard to work out in college because I literally don't have time to do anything. I'm gonna try to like start managing my time better so that way I can fit like at least an hour workout in like 2 to 3 times a week. For the rest of the day, I'm just gonna do things that I've been wanting to do, so like maybe shop for some clothes because I haven't been in the mall in a long time. That is what's gonna happen for today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Also, I really want to get my nails done, and it's been something I've been wanting to do, so I might do that. Let's go to the gym.
1, 2, 3, 4. In my car, I think about you. Think about all that we could do. Play a song that tells you how I'm feeling. Listen close, can you catch what I'm doing?
Okay, as you guys are watching this, I just want to say that I'm still a beginner in the gym. I literally don't have the correct form for some of these moves, so please do not judge. I'm still working on that. First, I started with the warm-up, as you guys can see, and then I hopped over to the machine and attached these ankle weights. I think I did like 10 pounds, I'm pretty sure, but I just kind of repeated this move along with like some arm movements.
I wear my heart on my sleeve, but you'll never ever catch me. Never catch me, never catch me.
I finished my workout and now I'm gonna go back up and take a shower because I'm so sweaty and I'm hungry already, so I'm gonna get a snack. But yeah, I made it back to my room and I was not expecting for my package to arrive today, but it did. Perfect timing because I really want to show you guys what I ordered, kind of like an unboxing from the one, the only Rare Beauty. This is my first time buying from there and I really wanted to try things, so excuse how red my face looks. Workout actually went pretty well, but I just got so exhausted. Like I literally feel like taking a nap right now. That's what happens when you don't work out for like over a year. I just got 2 things, but I'm like so excited about these things. So cute. What the heck? Okay. This is so cute. Okay, I'm so happy I ordered this, but I ordered like the makeup pouch and it's so cute. It's like this puffer light pink material, and then on the inside it's like this maroon kind of color. The next thing that I ordered is a little mini kit. Oh my gosh, I did not expect it to come in this cute bag. What the heck? I'm obsessed. I am obsessed and I'm so excited because I wanted to like do my makeup today, so I'm gonna for sure try all of this stuff out. Oh my gosh, it's so small, but like I ordered this 4-piece mini set called the Selena Phase. Comes with a lip cream, liquid highlighter, liquid blush, and mascara. I'm excited to try all those out. I kind of just wanted to like try out the mini versions first and see if I like them. And then it came with makeup remover wipes. Very cute. And then I also got the sample of her Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, the black mascara, so cute. I feel like a beauty YouTuber again. The liquid luminizer in the shade Mesmerize. It's in the shade Joy Liquid Blush. Very cute. This is like the hype all over TikTok, and I'm excited to see if it's worth the hype. So it also came with this matte lip cream in the shade Inspire, and it's just bright red. I actually like don't own any like bright red lipsticks. Yeah, I'm gonna go freshen up because right now I'm looking rough.
Begin to leave my body
H&M trip. Hey guys, a little bit of an update. I'm back home. It is 9 p.m. and I ended up buying some stuff from H&M, as you guys saw, and it was very successful. And I bought like half of the things that I tried on. I'm very excited to wear my new clothes, but for the night, I'm just gonna do my hair care routine, and I need to schedule my YouTube video, the one that's before this. I'm just gonna relax, chill, maybe watch something, and that's it for the night. Hey guys, I decided to extend this video because I wanted to get my nails done. It is currently 1:35. I have to be there by 2 p.m. I just finished getting ready. I actually wore the Rare Beauty blush that I showed you guys yesterday. I put it on my cheeks. It's kind of hard to tell. I didn't want to like do too much because of my redness that I have already. But yeah, I think it looks good. I don't really know how I feel about the color, but I like the consistency so far. And as for my outfit, I am wearing something very basic. This is the outfit I'm working with today. I'm wearing these jeans, which are from Motel Rocks, and I actually ordered from there like a month ago, and I absolutely love the stuff that I got. And then this top from Shein, and then this cardigan is what I got yesterday from H&M, which I really like how it looks, just like simple for the outfit. And then I'm gonna be taking my same tote bag that I take everywhere. I still have to decide like what nails I want to get done because I don't really know. Like, I'm so indecisive, but I think I'm gonna try like a different shape, something very different than what I usually do. Should be fun, should be very exciting. See you guys there. I did not realize that I didn't film an outro until now, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed filming and editing this one, so I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and again, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!